Hi guys, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and building the Megatrakk Scrapjet. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to the guys over at Goblin Gaming who sent me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below, you'll find a direct link to their web store, and every time you purchase something using that link, it directly helps fund my YouTube channel, which is fantastic. So please use that link in the description box below. Okay, let's take a look around the box first of all, shall we? So first of all, we can see some wonderful painted miniature, which is the Megatrakk Scrapjet, and I just love the fact that it's like a fuselage of an aeroplane that's crashed, and they've just literally kit bashed it and sort of like just turn it into something completely different. I just love the look of this vehicle. As we take a look around the back of the box, we can see there's two different paint variants. We've got the silver painted paint scheme there with a little bit of green and red accents, and then we've got the yellow one as well for the, I think they're called Bad Moons. Could be wrong there, guys. I'm not 100% sure on all of the clans for the orcs, but let's take a look inside the box. Okay, so opening the box up, we can see we have the Megatrakk Scrapjet instructions on how to build it. And what I love about these new kits from GW is that the manuals are just so simple to follow, and the way that they're made in 3D, it just makes the effort of building the kit effortless. And as you can see, we can see more of the instructions to build in the Megatrakk Scrapjet there, and then we can see we have the power level of the Scrapjet there, telling you all its abilities and its weapons, which is fantastic. We have just one sprue for the Megatrakk, and then we have a large base as well. No decals included, I'm afraid. It would have been nice to see some decals, but to be honest, and I truly mean this, the detail on these kits are such that it's very hard to actually find places to put decals on them anyway. I mean, they have glyphs all over the plastic parts as it is, so it'd be very difficult to put decals on the kits themselves. But we can see some lovely detail on the sprue there, really nice. What I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to put the Megatrakk Scrapjet together off camera. We'll come back in a few moments and we'll have a look at it all built. Hi guys, okay, so we're back again, and my turntable is playing up, unfortunately. Keeps stopping. I need to change the batteries, I think. But anyway, the Megatrakk Scrapjet is a wonderful little kit, guys. Really simple to put together. I mean, there was a few fiddly little bits. Mainly, if I show you in the manual, it'll be easier to show you. Right at the start of the manual here, there's this part 24 that clips into the side, and it's very awkward butting it up when you put the next half of the fuselage together there. But the general build in itself, very effortless. The manuals are so simple to follow, the new GW manuals. They're geared towards not only the enthusiastic hobbyists, but the beginner hobbyists can easily put these kits together themselves with just a pair of sprue cutters, I should say. Regarding extras on the sprue, you don't get nothing really, guys. One bomb, which is optional to swap out for another bomb. This one has, as you can see, a smoke plume trailing from the rear of the missile. But the kit itself just looks wonderful. I mean, let's zoom in on it a little, guys, and give you a real nice look at the plastic. Now, I will be doing a tutorial on this miniature, and I am going to be following this colour scheme So the bulk of the body is going to be painted in metallics. We're going to have some red accents, but I think it's going to look really, really nice, and looking forward to painting it. So hopefully I'll get to film the tutorial today, so hopefully it will go live tomorrow. Where are we today? Saturday. So hopefully Sunday there'll be a tutorial live on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to check the description box down below for links to Goblin Gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.